Open the Pinterest app and navigate to your profile. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Once your profile is open, locate the three dots icon in the top right corner. Tap it to access settings. In the menu that appears, select Settings to open your account options. Scroll down to Privacy and Data. Here, you'll find options for making your account private. Toggle Keep Your Pins Secret to On. This will hide your pins from others. Lastly, disable Show Profile to Others. This will keep your profile completely hidden. Return to your profile to check your changes. Your pins and profile should now be hidden. Take a moment to revisit your settings if any changes were missed. Adjust accordingly. Remember, these settings can be adjusted anytime if you change your mind. Enjoy your private space on Pinterest, where you can pin without any worries. Share this video with friends who might want privacy on Pinterest too. Thank you for watching. Happy pinning privately on Pinterest.